ZANU-PF's powerful Politburo has slammed the door shut on Kudakwashe Tagwirei's controversial co-option into the Central Committee, dealing a humiliating blow to both the fuel magnate and his top political backer, President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sarabira mashoko kudapangwa ine nyaswa kwa kunzi ZANU-PF rejects Mnangagwa's power play as Politburo imposes blackout on Tagwirei and subscribe on the bell icon. Tivina mnamo brand chinzi. In a moment, they described the insiders as a complete blackout. Only 2 out of 49 Politburo members, Justice Ministers Yambi Ziyambi and veteran Omega Hongwe, supported Tagwirei's elevation. The move was resoundingly rejected by key figures, including Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, Obed Mpofu, Patrick Chinamasa, Christopher Muchangwa, and others, signaling a seismic shift within ZANU-PF's internal power dynamics. The blackout is not just a personal setback for Tagwirei, it is a principled rejection of Mnangagwa's alleged strategy to consolidate control of the party through backdoor maneuvers and moneyed proxies. This dramatic repudiation comes just days after Vice President Constantino Chiwenga reportedly blocked a planned donation of luxury vehicles from Tagwirei to Politburo members, widely seen as an attempt inducement ahead of the vote. The rejection of both the donation and the co-option makes clear that a growing bloc within ZANU-PF is now actively resisting what they described as the creeping corporate capture of the party. Adding fuel to the political fire, ZANU-PF Women's League Deputy Chairperson and Cabinet Minister Monica Mchangwa, wife of Politburo heavyweight Chris Mchangwa, last week issued a thinly veiled attack on Tagwirei and Mnangagwa's leadership style. Doma shukarura pangwa ine anyasoradza kuti aiwa zvakanga zvakarongwa nevakomana pangwa ine aiwa zvafailure apo kunyasi kunokonza Politburo aiwa yozvitena down. Vina comment section medu msimafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro aiwa panhau yaTagwirei. Vina comment section medu musana subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.